This video will talk through the barcode label wizard. Go to the menu. Click on Wizards and Sim Wizards. On Barcode Label Wizard, select the store that you want to print labels for. This will open the options underneath. Click Search and select Items. Here you can filter the product you want to print labels for. For this example, look for any product that is in stock using the search bar. Use the filter to filter down your search. Click Apply. It will now show any items in stock at that particular store. Click Select All tick box. If you have a label printer set up, you can choose the printer you want to use in the drop-down menu and click Print Label.